to my channel. I am so excited to finally be here, finally be filming for you guys, doing whatever I can to make you love me and to be able to show you what I can do. My name is Veranda, and I know this is everybody's first time here. This is my first time here, and I'm so excited to finally just be able to, be here. It's been a long journey trying to get here, I feel like. Trying to get this setup going, get everything going just to be able to film my first video. So that's what we're going to be doing here today. So I hope you're excited because I'm excited. So bear with me for everything, just everything. But today I'm going to be using the new MAC times Aaliyah. Only thing I got from this collection was the eyeshadow palette and a lipstick in the shade Try Again. So, this palette does not have it has about one good transition shade. Maybe possibly this second one on the third row, which is That Somebody, could be, used, but it does have a little bit of shimmer in it. But I'm still going to go ahead and just use it. I'm just going to go for it. And I'm going to take that right in my crease with the Sigma E40 brush. That one didn't really do too much for me. Let me see. I'm going to try to get a little more. I've already went ahead and... Okay, I'm going to go to the next color. That one is maybe like a lid color or I guess it would be Creative Copper or Princess of Soul. They're normally backwards. So maybe it's Creative Copper. No, that's probably Creative Copper. This is probably Princess of Soul because that's kind of gold. So I'm going to go in with this shade in the crease and see how that works for me. Okay, that picks up a lot better. It's not much of my normal transition shade color, but it's going to have to work. Just because I only wanted to use this palette. Like, I didn't want to have to go use another palette. Just because it was the whole MAC times Aaliyah collection. Look to focus strictly on the eyes. So sorry guys, it looks like I was just covering up my face. But anyway, I went ahead and took that color. What was it called again? Princess of Soul. Right in the crease. And it goes on a lot darker than it looks just in the pan. It looks just like a regular brown, but I don't know. It goes on a lot darker. But, oh, what's that? Look like my finger. But it's okay. I'm just going to keep going. I got me some wine right here. Some Moscato. Kind of like, get me going. Okay, that's not my normal transition shade, but because I really didn't want to go for a, what was that? I didn't really want to go for like a nighttime look, but I'm just going to wing it and go for it. I don't even know what kind of look I was going for today, but hey. So now I'm going to take that shade, Creative Copper, and I'm going to use that. I'm going to apply some concealer using the ColourPop Cosmetics number 38 concealer, medium dark. And that's the one I also use to highlight. And I'm just going to apply that all over the lid, just up into the crease. No certain way. Like I said, I'm not cutting the crease. I'm just trying to make the lid color pop. Let's see. I'm going to take a MAC 252 brush and go in with the shade Creative Copper, which is that gold color that I thought was the other one at first. So I'm going to apply some Fix Plus just on there, just a few sprays, just to also bring out that gold. But MAC always has like the best golds. Like gold, it just doesn't, I don't know, and a lot of companies as well, but MAC always has really nice gold colors. Gold is always a color that every company seems to nail really good. That's really only like one layer of eyeshadow on there. That's not even me going back in the palette. And that's what I came up with. That color payoff. It's really nice. I'm going to use a MAC 217 oldie but a goodie. And just kind of circular motions in the crease. And deepen up that outer V a little bit. And I'm using the shade in the dark, guys. And I'm gonna do the same thing over here. This is the tattoo liner from Kat Von D. I'm guessing my eyeliner is even. I am guessing. Now it's time for, let's go ahead and real quick apply the bottom colors. Yeah, bottom colors. So I'm gonna go in with I like to, where is it? A short like shader brush, MAC 214. I'm gonna go in with that first color that I use, which is Princess of Soul. Ooh, I almost dipped it in that purple color. Jesus. I'm going to line the waterline with that. Just gonna go in the same order that I did with the eyeshadow on the top. Lashes are Lily lashes. This is just my little lash case. I just like to hold them in here after I take them out the box because it kind of takes more space to have like those boxes just like laying around in my makeup collection that they come out of. So I'm just going to, I just like to put them in here. While that glue dried a little bit, hit the air, got a little tacky. Aren't those so gorgeous? I just love these lashes. I just don't know what that is. Whatever, but don't look, don't pay attention. I'm just gonna keep it moving right along to every girl's favorite part. This highlighter that I have in my hand that I've been using for my mirror. I can either use this one, but I'm gonna use the Boomin' highlight from ColourPop Cosmetics. This is a loose powder highlight. I always start off with a little less, but I like to use like a little fluffier brush instead of a fan brush for like loose powder highlight, just because I can get more product and kind of distribute it better. Pick it up on all ends of the brush instead of just like the way that fan brush is made. See? Ooh, Lord. That's something special there. Boom. That highlight is very much so booming. That way, if I apply too little, I can always go in, but less is always more starting off. You never want to go in with too much in the beginning because, you know, it's harder to take back too much. Down a little bridge of the nose that I don't have, that I like to create. Sometimes also, if you feel like you just apply like too much highlighter and you might be looking a little bit crazy, you can always go in with just a little more blush on top of that. And on that cheek area, and it'll definitely kind of blend all that out. So, okay, and lastly for the lips, I'm going to go in with the ColourPop Cosmetics BFF3 Lip Liner Pencil and line my lips. This is just like a universal brown color. And I always like to go in the inner corners of my lips as well. These lip pencils go on so smoothly. Like, they're so creamy and smooth. It's like everything. And I'm going to top that with the MAC times Aaliyah Try Again matte lipstick. I got this one because it was matte. It's kind of like the same color as my skin a little bit, but I like it. You can still see it. It's still pretty. This is the one I was feeling the most out of the collection. It's because if I'm gonna wear a red, I'm gonna wear a matte red for the most part. That's just me. And lastly, we're gonna hit it with some Fix Plus. This is the lavender one. And boom, this is what I got. So make sure you guys be sure to let me know what you think, how I did, anything that I could possibly do better. Please like, comment, subscribe. Everything is welcome here. And make sure to hit those notification bells to be notified when I post another video. And let me know what you would like to see from me. What would you like to know about me and from me? And, you know, all of the above. Possibilities are endless. So cheers, guys, and I love you guys. Thanks so much for watching.